Southern California has always been a place where people build things. Clothing brands start somewhere. Print shops open their doors. Every day, someone decides it's time to stop thinking about an idea and actually make it. That's what SoCal Print Fest is all about. For one day, our showroom became something completely different. You could watch a printer run, walk a few steps, and see a laser engraving leather. Then turn the corner and find a completely different way to build a business. Everyone who walked through these doors came with something different in mind.
It's just interesting seeing the different technologies and all that that's being offered and showcased here.
You know what? I'm an old school person. I like the face-to-face, getting the questions answered.
A lot of the people that are doing the demos actually own the equipment, so they use it on a regular basis, so I think that's hugely beneficial.
One of the biggest advantages of an event like this is you're not limited to just one perspective. You can ask the brands questions about their equipment, then walk over and talk to someone who's already using it in their own shop. Those conversations give you a different kind of insight. Attendees also had the chance to win equipment and prizes from the brands on display, with thousands of dollars in machines awarded during the raffle. This year also marked 40 years of All-American Print Supply Co., and bringing the print community together felt like the right way to celebrate it. But the goal of SoCal Print Fest goes beyond any single event. Whether you're just getting started, growing your business, or simply curious about what's new in the industry, we hope SoCal Print Fest becomes an event you'll want to be a part of. We hope to see you at the next one.